All right, we're going to take a look at dividing rational expressions. So, when we divide fractions, we're going to keep the first fraction the same, and then we're going to flip the second fraction and then change their sign into multiplication. And after that, it turns into a multiplication problem, which you should already be good with. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and rewrite. So we're going to keep the first. We're going to flip the second, and then we'll change the sign. So that's our keep the first, flip the second, change the sign. So when we divide fractions, we go to KFC. Okay, and then I'm just going to cancel now. So I see I have x in the numerator and x in the denominator. Everything's factored. And then I look at the 3 and the 15. They have a greatest common factor of 3. So 3 goes into 3 once, into 15 5 times. And we just multiply straight across. So we have 1 times 4, which is 4. Downstairs we have just 5. So when I do cancel the x's, it's really x goes into x once, x goes into x once. So those are there also. Okay. Let's look at one more. Let's say we have y squared minus 7y minus 30 over y squared minus 6y minus 40, and we're going to divide that by 2y squared plus 7y plus 3 over 2y squared plus 5y plus 2. And just like with the multiplication, before I do anything, I'm going to kind of want to factor. So we're going to factor the numerator and the denominator. So this becomes y minus 10, y plus 3. The denominator becomes y minus 10 and y plus 4. And I'm just going to go ahead and flip that fraction. So the y squared plus 5y plus 2 goes upstairs. 2y squared plus 7y plus 3 goes downstairs, and we change that division into a multiplication. And I already see on that first fraction there that the y minus 10s are the same factors, so we'll go ahead and cancel them. Just make our life easier and less writing for us. So we'll have y plus 3 over y plus 4. And then I'm going to need to factor the other stuff. So upstairs we'll factor into 2y plus 1 and y plus 2. Downstairs we'll factor into 2y plus 1 and y plus 3. Okay, and then from here we'll just cancel. So the y plus 3's cancel, the 2y plus 1's cancel, and what I'm left with is y plus 2 in the numerator and y plus 4 in the denominator. So my factor upstairs is y plus 2, and my factor downstairs is y plus 4. We can cancel factors, but not terms. Y is a term in the numerator, and y is a term in the denominator, but we can't cancel it. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. We end up breaking math if we do that. That's as far as we can go.